Hi! In this video, I will show you the spreadsheet with which we will work during the program. So as you can see here, the first tab is Activities Plan, where you will see the table with overview of the tasks that you will do during the course. So far, it's quite empty, but here you can see the first week. What you will do is you will go step by step. So first, at the beginning of the week, you will set your practical challenge. In this first week, it's already there. But in the second week, you will go here and choose one of them and then click it and it will be here. Then you have the grammar task, reading task. So these two tasks, it would be great if you finish them before our lesson, because then comes our lesson where we will put everything in the practice. And here, listening, speaking, these are tasks after the lesson. And again, next week, another set of tasks. So here you will find the links and it will take you to the tasks with instructions and everything. Once you're done with a task, don't forget to click here, the checkbox, so that I know that I can go there and give you feedback. Once I give you feedback, you will receive an email notification and you can go there and check it out. So just to summarize, every week you start with the weekly practical challenge. Choose one that you want to challenge yourself with that week. Then do the tasks before lesson and do the tasks after the lesson. You don't have to do everything at once. Pace yourself. Do a little bit every day. Another things I wanted to share with you here are the other tabs. Here, lessons notes. Here you will find notes from our lessons, basically vocabulary, anything that's important and you want to go back to. In this tab, you will find tutorials. So this is something that I recommend watching before or during the first week because they might be really useful for you. Once you watch them, just let me know so that I know that you're all set. Here you will find this video that I'm just recording. Finally, if you want some more materials, if you have some time and you want to play some games or practice pronunciation, or you're looking for some listening, here are some extra resources. But the most important part is this first tab where you will find all the activities or the tasks. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, we will discuss it during the lesson, or you can always reach out to me through email or WhatsApp, whatever works for you. So see you soon.